let's not waste any more time. Take the subframe off because it needs to be blasted, because it's covered in galvanized, whatever is galvanized, and that's actually really poisonous when you weld it, so we can't do that. So we need to take it off, blast it. For that we need to take off the flat floor, few other brackets, the rest of the suspension. Yeah, let's get started.
That's a good one! Yeah,
OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. Watch me walk away, putting myself on display. 1, 2, 3 a day. I'm on my way, on my way. I'ma have you on tiptoes, watching my diamond afterglow. I know you wanna take me home. I'm on my way, on my way. OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. On my way, on my way.
Let's not waste any time and let's get that subframe sandblasted, because galvanizing is poisonous and also is shit to weld. So have a look here, ready to go. Actually it would be nice to stick the camera in there, but I think it's gonna get super dusty and I'll probably ruin my camera. So we'll see what we can get. Yeah, that's the crap, that's the galvanizing thing. That's what we're trying to get off. Nearly done. Just had to replace the hopper with a bit more bits, and yeah, I wish I had a unit like that. Would have blasted the whole Clio from the beginning.
1 hour later!
Yeah. Alright, let's take it back to the garage and let's weld that puppy up.
Tomorrow.
According to very extensive Pure Motorsport instructions on how to convert this thing, first we need to do is we need to take those brackets off completely. As you can see, this one has been modified and I'm sure you've seen a video. If you haven't, the link is right there. Yeah, they're spot welded, so we're gonna use a very fancy tool. Yeah, take the spot welds and start welding.
They wanna judge me, I'll testify. Catch me on Insta, I'm verified. They want me quiet, I amplify. I'm on my way to the best thing that you've ever seen. You know that you bow to the queen. You lose all your senses and reason. I'll give you something to believe in. OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. On my way, on my way. On my way, on my way.
Yay! New Christmas tree toys. 1.5 kilos almost. 4 brackets that we removed from the subframe. Yeah, I mean we're gonna add a little bit more weight on top, but then it's gonna be lighter, the whole setup. So let's see how this fits. Yep, so basically that's how it's supposed to be. Had to trim a few places here and there. Obviously this has to be trimmed a little bit, and I trimmed the frame itself just to make sure it fits absolutely perfect. The key here is that both of them are identical width wise in here, and they have to line up with holes. You can see one here and one over here, so those 2 holes, they have to line up, and we can see that those 2 line up. We'll massage these a little bit. There's a bit of a gap that we can feel, but it's nothing major, and a little bit here, but then we'll massage that into place. Okay, I think I am ready to tack it, massage it, like I said, with my favorite tool, the Persuader. Actually, I need to get one of those, like rusky hammer shit, something on the side, custom one. Yeah, write me a comment below if you can make one, or you know somebody who can make me a custom hammer. Maybe not for using, but as a sort of as a piece hanging and stuff, you know. All right, another quick montage of me welding.
Yeah, OMW, nothing left to prove. So enjoy the view, taking a picture like Malibu. I'ma have you on tiptoes, watching my diamond afterglow. I know you wanna take me home, I'm on my way, on my way.
130 mil. 130 mil. Yay!
OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW.
That's about it. Even though it's been blasted and everything, unbelievable. It was just in places spitting and everything. Horrible stuff to weld. I mean, obviously the new clean metal is all nice and sexy, but the other one, I mean, it will hold. There's definitely penetration. There's some nice bits, there's some not so nice bits, so it will be all cleaned up, and then we're gonna have to paint it. And thank you guys, whoever been voting for Novichok Green, which is, I don't have a paint here because I ordered it. Should be here anytime next week, hopefully.
1 week later.
Well guys, you voted, I deliver. We're going with lime green. Well, I call it Novichok Green, but I think it's actually Kawasaki Green. I have my trusted supplier because it's a classic car. Let's paint it. I like it. I like it. I think it's slightly different color to Novichok Green, but Kawasaki Green. So happy with that. Let's feed the steering rack. I actually serviced it a little bit. Basically adjusted the tensioner, and I put some more grease inside just to make it a bit more smooth. So we're all ready to fit it. So let's feed that, and we can try and feed the control arms and maybe the brakes.